Homeowners are being stripped of their flood insurance discounts by FEMA. And tonight, U.S. Senator Rick Scott says he has a plan to help lower costs of rising premiums.
Every community in Lee County, except Fort Myers and Sanibel, is set to see rates increase 25% after FEMA said those communities didn't rebuild properly after Ian. Tonight, NBC2 chief political reporter Dave Elias talks exclusively with Senator Scott about his plan.
Yeah, Peter, U.S. Senator Scott in this letter tells me that the head of the National Flood Insurance Program under FEMA, that the insurance rates are just out of control in Florida. And he tells me exclusively that he has a plan to bring down rates, but he says FEMA isn't cooperating.
Dave, you hear it, I hear it. We all, we know it's a problem, right?
Senator Rick Scott talking about insurance, particularly flood insurance.
We're a donor state. So you think the way insurance works, if we're a donor state, our rates should come down over time, right? Unfortunately, they've been continuing to go up.
Simply put, Floridians pay in more than they receive. He says in this letter to FEMA that building a private market is a better plan.
The holdup is basically mostly FEMA trying to prevent it from happening by not giving us data.
His bill also calls for giving people who buy flood insurance a tax break, and he wants to change the way they pay for their flood insurance.
Let people pay on a monthly basis rather than an annual basis, so people can afford it better.
Do you think, though, the state needs to be doing more?
Until it's solved, you got to keep thinking about what you should do.
The insurance director for the Consumer Federation of America, Doug Heller, puts it more bluntly.
So what we need to see from the folks in the Capitol is more willingness to stand up to the insurance industry instead of bending to their whims.
He's calling on state leaders to do more with the state-run insurance.
Well, let's strengthen citizens rather than diminish it and put people into weak insurance companies.
Now, Senator Scott also tells me he believes that he will get bipartisan support on this bill.
Okay, but we all know that can take some time. In the meantime, is there anything people can do to save money now?
You know, Peter, agents are really stressing people to apply for the grant money that the state has through My Safe Florida Homes. They just added another $200 million. That money is going to be coming available in July. So still plenty of time to apply for it. And they're going to pay for half of the upgrades you need to keep your home hurricane-proof.
Can you say that one more time? My Safe Florida, right?
My Safe Florida Homes, yes.
Okay.
Just that part.
Yes,
Yeah,
just that.
no, not the whole thing. Just My Safe Florida Homes. Thanks, Dave.
All righty.
Meanwhile, Cape Coral City